Hello everyone, welcome to LRDIprep. My name is Samir Surdana and we are discussing this last 5 years of CAT paper series, and this is episode number 8 of CAT 2020 Slot 3. We are learning tricks to solve every question of Quant under 1 minute. The idea of this whole series is to make you realize that every question that has been asked in the last 5 years of CAT paper are based on basics, right? They are not advanced or technical questions. They are made with the basic concepts. Now let's look at this question number 29. This is from Quadratic Equation, CAT 2020 Slot 3. Question number 21 says that m and n be the positive integers so that x square plus 5x x square plus mx plus 2n is equal to 0, and there's another equation in terms of n and m, and they have real roots. Then the smallest possible value of m plus n. So what we are supposed to find out is the smallest possible value of m plus n, and m here is a coefficient of x and here is a coefficient of x. Now because it is given that the roots are real, so can I say discriminant of this will be greater than or equal to 0? If I apply the condition of discriminant being greater than or equal to 0 over here, right, discriminant means b square minus 4ac should be greater than or equal to 0. So in this quadratic equation I'll have a relationship between m and n, b square minus 4ac, that means m square minus 4 into a into c should be greater than or equal to 0, or you can say that m square should be greater than or equal to 8n. There's another quadratic equation given over here. So again discriminant for this quadratic equation will also be greater than or equal to 0. That means b square minus 4 into a into c would be greater than or equal to 0. So 4n square should be greater than or equal to 4m. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. That means n square should be greater than or equal to m. Now we got two conditions, that m square should be greater than or equal to 8 and n square should be greater than or equal to m. And we are supposed to find out the smallest possible value of n. And because it is given that m and n are the positive integers, now if I want to minimize the value of m and n, I'll try to keep the magnitude part of m and n as low as possible. Now tell me, what is the minimum value of n that you can put? If I'm asking you the minimum value of n, which is a positive integer, so you can say that m square would be greater than or equal to 8. So if m square is greater than or equal to 8, that means m should be greater than or equal to 2 root 2. Now an integral value of m which is greater than or equal to 2 root 2 is 3. So in this case m will be equal to 3 and n will be equal to 1. But you see that I want n square to be greater than or equal to 1, n square to be greater than or equal to m. Now this is not true. So therefore n is equal to 1 is not a valid solution. Now the next smallest possible value of n that you can take is 2. Now if I'm putting n as 2 here, if I put n as 2, in that case m square would be greater than or equal to 16. M will be greater than or equal to 4. Because it's a positive integer, the smallest possible value of m is 4. Now let's check it over here. If I'm keeping n as 2 here, right, n as 2 square is greater than or equal to 4. So yes, this is a valid solution. 4 is equal to 4. That means the smallest possible value of m plus n is, if you put the value of m as 4 and the minimum possible value of n as 2, you'll get the minimum possible value of m plus n. That is option number 2 will be the correct answer, that is 6. Now let's have a look at the next question, CAT 2020 Slot 3 from time, speed and distance. Question number 22 says, Vimla start the office every day at 9 a.m. for office every day at 9, and she reaches exactly on time if she drives at her usual speed of 40 km per hour. Okay. So at 9 a.m. she is leaving the home and her usual speed is 40 km per hour and she office reaches exactly on time. And what is that time? We do not know. What is the distance she is traveling to reach the office? We do not know. The question says she gets late by 6 minutes if she travels at 35 km per hour. Now if the speed is 40, she is reaching exactly on time. If the speed is 35, she is reaching 6 minutes late. So see that speed ratio is 8:7, right? So can I say time ratio would be 7:8? The difference here is of 1 minute, right? I want the difference to be of 6 minutes. So this 1 minute difference should be of 6 minutes. That means it will take 42 minutes here and it will take 48 minutes here. Now she is reaching office in 42 minutes at a speed of 40. So can I say the distance that she is traveling is 40 into 42 by 60? That means the distance that she is traveling to reach the office is 28 kilometers. Now, on a particular day, she covered 2/3 of her distance to office in 1/3 of her usual speed. All right. The total time that she is taking to reach the office is 42 minutes. Now, on a particular day, 2/3 of the distance has been traveled at 1/3 of her usual time. Has been traveled at 1/3 of her. She covers 2/3 of her distance to office in 1/3 of her usual time, okay, to reach office. So see that, guys, one particular day she is covering 2/3 of her distance to office in 1/3 of her usual time to reach office. His usual time to reach office is 42 minutes. Now 2/3 of the distance has been traveled in 1/3 of his usual time, which is 14 minutes, right? After that, she stops for 8 minutes. So by the time she covered 2/3, she has already taken 8 minutes, and now she is also taking a stoppage of 22 minutes. That means 22 minutes are gone. Can I say by the time 2/3 distance is gone, by the time she has traveled 2/3 distance, 22 minutes is gone. Now, the speed in kilometer at which she should drive the remaining distance to reach office exactly on time. Now see that she is left with 1/3 of the distance, right? And that 1/3 of the distance, for that 1/3 of distance, she is having only 20 minutes, right? Now what should be the speed of her? Normally, right, the 1/3 distance, right, is being traveled at 40 kilometers, right? This 1/3 of the distance will be traveled in 14 minutes, right? The time, right, if she is walking at the normal speed, she would be taking 14 minutes to travel the distance. But she is still having 20 minutes to travel the distance. So see that time ratio here is 7:10. So speed ratio will be 10:7. If his normal speed is 40 kilometer per hour, the distance that she want to travel in 20 minutes, for that his speed should be 28 kilometer per hour. So see that without making any equation, you can answer all the question. That's option number 2 for this particular question. Now let's have a look at the next question, question number 23 of paper slot 3 geometry. The vertices of a triangle are these. The area of the circle passing through these 3 points is what? See that, guys. Let's draw the vertices first, right? One of the vertices is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, right? That is the origin. Next is x equal to 4, y is equal to 0. So can I say this would be a straight line on x-axis, right? So if I draw x-axis and y-axis here, right? You see that this will be the origin. So this will be the 0, 0. This is 4, 0, right? This is our positive direction of x-axis. And this is at x equal to 3, y is equal to 9. So you see that this whole distance is 9, height is 9, and this point is 3, and this would be 1, right? Now the question is asking us the area of the circle passing through these 3 points. We are supposed to find out the area of the circle which passed through these 3 points. That means I'm supposed to find out the area of the circumcircle. Now you can find out the area of the circumcircle if you can find out the radius of the circle. And there's a relationship between the area of a triangle and the circumradius of a triangle. This is something that you should know. That area of a triangle is written as ABC upon 4R. Area of triangle is ABC upon 4R. Now, can we find out the area? Yes, the area of this triangle can easily be found out. 1 upon 2 into base is 4, height is 9. So area of triangle is 18. If area of triangle is 18, all I need is length of all 3 sides. We know that length of this side is 4. We can easily find out the length of this. This is at 90 degrees, this is 9, this is 3. So this would be 27 minus 9, Pythagoras theorem, that is root 18. And this would be, this you see, this is 1 and this is 9. So this would be this length, sorry, this is a hypotenuse, right? This is 3, this is 9, and this is the hypotenuse. So this is 27 plus 9, that is 20. Sorry, this would be 3 square, that is 3 square 9 plus 9 square, that is 81. Yes, the length of this would be root 85, root 90, sorry. This would be root 90, 9 square plus 3 square, 81 plus 9, that is root 90. And this is also the hypotenuse, so apply the Pythagoras theorem here. This is 81 plus 1, that is root 82. Now you got the length of this side, you got the length of this side, you got the length of this side as 4. Just put it and you get the radius. Area of triangle we know is 18. One of the side A is equal to 4. The another side B is equal to root 90. And the another side, this particular side is root 82 upon 4r. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So the circumradius would be root 90 can be written as, this is 15 into 6, right? So can I take, no, 2 cannot be taken as common here. Let's factorize it. Let it be like root 90 into root 82. This is the circumradius of the circle. Now the area of the circle will be pi r square, right? The square of this. Let me just check it once. Okay, we have 18 in the denominator also, right? This value will be in the denominator. So area would be pi r square. R square, that is 90 into 82 upon 18 into 18. Now just cancel it on 5. And you see that this will cancel it on 2. This will be 41. So you see that area of the circle will be 205 upon 9. That's the answer of the question, right? This is the area of the circle. Question seems to be complex, but actually it's a very simple question. We are applying Pythagoras theorem. This is the only thing that you need to know to find out the answer of this question. So guys, these were the 3 more questions of CAT 2020 slot 3. We are left with only 3 questions now of logarithm, which I'll be covering in the next session. Guys, you can subscribe to Unacademy Plus using my referral code LRDIprep, right? This is my referral code. This is a YouTube channel, LRDIprep, where you can cover your 100% syllabus. This is my Telegram group, Target Cat with me, where you will get the free content and updates of all of my videos. There's a series of 30 minutes daily DILR live with Samir at 4 p.m. that I'm taking, where I'm going to cover 300 sets of LRDI. Links of all the previous episodes, the 38 episodes that I have taken, are given in the description part of this video. Now, these are the upcoming courses on Unacademy Plus that I'll be taking to cover your syllabus in the next 90 days. The dates and time of all of these courses are mentioned over here. Subscribe to LRDI, subscribe to Unacademy Plus using my referral code here. And there's a weekly scholarship test coming up on the upcoming Sunday, that is tomorrow, on Unacademy. You can subscribe to you can register yourself for the test. You can unlock the test using my referral code LRDIprep. And Ask a Doubt option is live on Unacademy, on Unacademy Learning app, where you can just click on the question and send it across to get the video solution of the doubt. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next part.